What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be heading out to the Ferrada meet, the Rise and Shine car event in Houston. It's a little sketchy right now with this weather. Hoping it doesn't get any worse than what it is right now. But yeah, we're gonna be heading that way, guys. As you know, I'm from Brazoria County, so it's always a 45-minute drive to even get to Houston. So check out that rainbow. Oh no, and it's raining. That rainbow's just right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. The rainbow's like maybe 40 feet away from me. And it's landing right in that area right there. Pretty cool. But yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all like the video, man. All right, so we're here. We made it to the Ferrada meet. Long ass drive home. ZX Club here. Looks pretty badass, the lineup. Yes, sir. Community here. That's my boy Chris. No life. What's up, bro? Hey, it was late notice for me, man. I wasn't planning to come out here, but I said,
I didn't know what to expect going out there.
Yeah.
But dude, they held it down over there, man. The thing is with Houston is like they only go to their own events.
They're divided. They're divided. That is true. So I think that's why a lot of the main shows don't come over here no more. Like Week Fest doesn't come over here no more. I feel like because they know how divided it is and shit.
Where's your car at?
Man, it's parked in the very back out there, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Even because I drive a GTR, I don't feel like I want to be like, you know, in the middle, in the front. I like my car, dude. I'm so like just like nonchalant with my car. I feel like it's just like a Maxima or something. It's nothing special to me. I don't know. It's weird because it's funny because like I roll in, everybody's like, oh shit. But for me, that car is just another fucking car to me, man.
Well, I mean, then you had how many cars?
Yeah.
So
I think you know how it feels, right?
That's why people are like, when I sold my car, like,
Yeah.
bro, I'm gonna tell you this. I got offered too much money. I don't give a shit.
Yeah, exactly. And I think
I don't get real attached to my vehicles.
Exactly, and that's how I am. I don't get attached to my cars at all.
I love them, though. To me, it's just okay. If something happens, on to the next one.
On to the next one. And that's how it is with me, because like especially like if I have a car, dude, I'm like, I'm gonna keep this car. But then someone comes in and say, hey man, I'll give you 15 grand for it. Oh shit, take it. Take it, bro. Shit. Spaceman Will. That's Spaceman Will. What up, man? What's up, bro? You alright? Shit. Another day, brother. Another day, man. Yeah, and I wish I had an editor like your video guy. That dude is legit, man. Okay, Brazoria County. Okay, Brazoria County. I see y'all. I see y'all over there, man. Huh? What's up, man? Shit, chilling.
Just got here?
Yeah, I just got here, man. I was just. Something about that McLaren paint. It's clean. So we're at the Ferrada wheels meet. Ooh. So this is painted, man. This is a paint job. Now, this is a pretty clean color right here with the bronze wheels. Nice. Now all the on your dash?
The rally driver.
Oh, really? Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, here we go.
Uh-oh.
I got to take 2 shots. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
What am I doing? No!
Little boy just picked one up off the ground.
It's good times, man. Good times, bro.
Well, brother, yeah, I'll catch up, man. We'll catch up soon, bro.
Definitely. And if anything changes, I'll holler at you. Maybe you need to set up an event for December, maybe.
Hell yeah.
I'm down for it.
There's the Kima meeting in December.
Okay.
Are you going to Kima?
I don't go to Kima much, but I'll go to it as long as I'm free that day.
Yeah, like
So-
all of the Space City Series group is going to
Okay.
Kima.
Okay.
Um,
I'll holler at them to see if we can set up a little get together over there. All right, brother. Be careful, man. All right, so made it to the end of the meet. Ooh, I just walked up to this, man. Didn't even notice it. Damn, this is clean. I love it. Ooh. This is nice. Okay, B County. I see y'all. You alright?
good, brother?
Chilling, bro. Y'all heading out or what?
Yeah, I'm heading out.
Alright, man.
Hungry now.
Damn, the audio. Civic with the carbon fiber hood. It's got the praise welds on there. It's clean. H-Town, hold it down. Let's go.
Morsel of rain washes away dead deeds of people.
Royalty with the Street Fighter rap. Yes, sir. That was cool. Alright, already walking around, I was already kind of tired, but then I just seen there's another mile of cars. I'm gonna try to get all the cars I can.
That's what it sounds like when a pro truck should do.
The man, the myth, the legend himself,
There he is.
Nick Dennis. What up, bro?
Good
What's
morning,
up,
my
man?
friend. How we doing?
How you doing, bro?
buddy?
Doing good, man.
Good. Checking this out, man. First
Yeah.
time over here.
Yeah.
Man, I'm glad I came.
There's a lot of cars.
Oh, dude. Oh, it was beautiful, man. When it rained, dude, I cannot wait to. Oh, beautiful mood and scene, dude. It's gonna
Bro,
be rowdy.
it was like on the way over here,
Yeah.
I was gonna do a U-turn because it started raining real bad
and you're
coming
like,
over here. I'm like, fuck. And then it started clearing out. Then I seen the rainbow. And I was like,
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go.
Let's go to
That's a
Mixer's
sign,
Drive.
man.
Let's
It's a
go.
sign.
Huh? I parked in the very back over there next to the Corollas.
Okay, mom, yeah.
Yeah. I'm rocking them over there with the Toyota team.
So I like the.
Yeah.
They don't have the cattle shippers, what they call them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This could be 10, but he's playing. Yeah, let's go.
We got one? Yes, sir. Yes,
I was looking for you. 50% off.
What's up, man?